Hey everybody, I'm going to use this as an introduction video. My wife and I are about to build what's going to be our forever retirement home. It's going to be an earth sheltered or green roof home, and we bought some property to build it on, and they're clearing it now. But to give you a little bit of background and history on it, I took my first computer training class on earth sheltered housing back in 1978, and I got an interest in it from back then. There's been a lot of things that have changed over time. You've gotten a few more people in doing some of the building and stuff. So that kind of got me excited, and I've been thinking about building one of these houses for a long time now. I had to go outside of Alabama to be able to find somebody who had experience with designing and doing one of these homes. So I went to a company called Formworks Building Inc. out in Durango, Colorado, and they did the floor plans, did all the engineering work, put the structural information together, all of that, put the stamps on it. So I got that done from there, and then of course I had to involve some other engineering companies to do some other things. So I had one engineering company that did a geotechnical on the property, so I'd know what the ground was, whether the foundation would work, what we need to be aware of, that type of thing. And then there was a third engineering company that I involved, and I involved them two different ways. One is that I involved them to do the septic tank design for basically our personal sewer system. And I also had them do a topographic survey and a site plan. And so all of those things had engineer stamps on them, and that allowed me to be able to get my building permit that I was required to get from the city where we needed to get that. So anyway, we did that, and then I started talking to some different contractors and things like that. I've got a meeting this week coming up with an electrical contractor. Sounds good, and I'll see what plans he puts together and what estimate he puts together. But if I'm usually getting at least 2, if not 3 estimates on the work to be done for each of the contractors that I have to have, and the way I'm breaking my budget out to be able to do that. So we're just getting started on it. You're going to see some videos that were actually taken before this one, and it's going to show some of the progress, because we had a lot of land to clear to be able to do it. I say a lot. We're clearing probably about 4 acres. Most of that's clearing out where the home, eventually some of the outbuildings and other things will be on the property. Getting it all done at one time. We got to get that done before we can begin to excavate into the hillside that we're going to build the house into. But anyway, that gives you an idea of where this all started and what we're about to embark on and the journey we're about to take. We'll catch you later in some of the other clips as we show some of the progress throughout this project. So catch you later.